Okay, so this video's about the color flashcards available at flashcardsforkindergarten.com. Free, downloadable, just print them out and laminate them, and then you've got some flashcards. So the reason I designed these flashcards is because they're very useful that they have the different shapes on them as well. There are versions without the shapes on, and also a version without the word on as well, depending on how you want to teach it. For example, if you're in a class where there's kids that already know colors, and there's kids that are just beginning to know the colors, then it can be tricky because the kids might get bored, right? So what you do is the kids that don't know the colors, you're asking them the color. If the kids already know the color, you can say, what shape is it then? Okay, what color is this? What shape is this? Or then, can you touch the red circle, or can you touch the red diamonds? Things like that. So that's the reason why these shapes are there. When first introducing these flashcards, I probably just start with a few if colors are brand new, you know, if you're teaching really young kids. And I drill them, I try to get them to repeat, but maybe they can't repeat because they're just too young and they can't even speak yet. But, you know, if the kid can't say it yet, you ask them, you say, okay, ready? Red, blue, green, okay? Red, blue, green. Can you touch green? Which one is green? Oh, touch green, okay. You might even use a teddy bear to be the student and just pretend and get the teddy bear to do it. And then maybe the kid is comfortable holding the bear and pressing his hand onto the color or something like that. Something just more fun in general, okay? So these are very basic colors, and you can do a ton of things. You can print these out huge to A3. You can put them on the wall, you can cut them out, you can cut the strips so they have to match the strips up. Many things you can do. You can play games in the classroom. Okay, so if you've got red, you go, what color is it? Red. What color is it? Red. Go find something red, go touch something red. You know, if your kids are a little bit older or need some more physical activity. But yeah, so please put any ideas in the comments for using these cards, or if they was useful for you. Let me go through the rest of them. So we've got red, blue, green. The next time I'd probably bump up and use, you know, maybe 5 cards. But the order you teach them in as well is very important. So try to teach them simple, very simple colors first. And you'll see that this set is very good. I'd focus on teaching 2 to 3 year olds maybe this set, if they could do it, maybe purple. But as the colors go along, they get more difficult. And it depends who you're teaching to. If you're teaching children who have a different language, ESL students, for example, in Japanese, pink and orange is kind of the same in Japanese, so they're not very difficult to learn for the kids. So you got to bear that in mind, right? So we've got black, brown, white, and then we've also got gray. So this is when stuff starts getting way more difficult for the kids. We've got gray, gold, silver, navy, lilac, sky blue, and turquoise as well, okay? So I would recommend not actually teaching these very advanced colors. They're just there in case you're using these for students that have done this 100 times and you know, it's too easy for them. So they're just there just in case, basically. But these are the main colors: red, blue, green, orange, yellow, pink, purple, black, brown, white, and gray, okay? So remember, you can print more than one set as well of these flashcards. For example, this is actually from the bug set, but I just wanted to show it to you because you can stick the printout to some card and then laminate those two together and then what you get is a very, very strong card that you can't see through. So then what happens is you can play matching games, right? Again, let's go back to if it was just 2-year-olds. What you can do is you can take the 3 colors, red, blue, green, you practice them and you can say, okay, ready, red, blue, green. You may or may not be able to see through these, depending. I think this is okay because you can't see the colors and the kids probably can't read the words yet. So then you get another set, you put them down and you say, ready, teacher first. Red, red, okay, let's try here. Where's the other red one? And then you flip it over, if you get it, you get the point. So just very simple techniques there. Again, as a bonus, in the download pack, you can also get this poster, which I love because you can just stick it on the wall and it asks a question to you, what's your favorite color? My favorite color is yellow, or blah, 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 blah. If you print these really small, you can even play a matching game with the poster, which is great. So I thought about it a lot of how to get the most out of the flashcards. So if you like this video, please share it with other teacher friends so they can download the flashcards and the posters and everything like that. There's a ton of resources on this website, flashcardsforkindergarten.com. Go check it out. Thanks. Bye.